before we created and developed the Puredyne system, we looked closely at the market and we found common issues such as inconsistent extrusion, nozzle clogging, failed prints, and therefore we developed our system to specifically combat these challenges so that the researchers can focus on their research and their prints, but instead of the actual bioprinter itself. So what is Puredyne? Essentially, it is a single-use design system, extrusion-based bioprinting technology utilizing the progressive cavity. So on the left side, you can see what we've done is built our progressive cavity technology into a disposable barrel syringe. And then we have a pump system that's driven by a stepper motor where you can load your material, attach the cap, print, and then dispose. And this helps to avoid any cross-contamination or anything like that. And then on the right side, we also offer an optimal process control utilized with our temperature control technology device. And here you just insert the Puredyne into the slot as shown and run your prints the same way. And here we can keep the temperature controlled from 4 to 40 degrees, depending on maybe what the cells need or what the researchers need.